So I have got a fish dish for you today. Salmon. Love this salmon from Aldi. It is the boneless 2 salmon fillets and they were £3.89, so this is a really good price for salmon in Aldi. I've got the onions that were 95p, I got some broccoli which was 79p, and I've got the miniature potatoes that were 79p. So what I'm going to make is a really easy air frying dish. I'm going to put it all in the air fryer, you know, apart from like some of the broccoli. I've also got some mustard. I did want Dijon, but I mean, I've got a whole grain, so that will do. And a bit of honey as well that I'm going to pop on the salmon. And I thought to myself, what potatoes do I fancy? So I've got these miniature potatoes, which I'm just going to wash up now and give a bit of a scrub. And I'm going to get them straight into a bowl, into the microwave for about 5 minutes. Shake them and then another 5 minutes just to get them really soft inside. So I'll be back after I've done the potatoes. So they had 10 minutes in the microwave just to make them really soft. So I'm just getting one now, and with my bottom of the glass, just going to crush these down. So I'm just going to have crushed potatoes. I mean, I like doing these because it's something a little bit different. And then once they're all done, I'll show you, I'll come back to that. But my salmon, I've added some garlic granules, some mustard, any mustard you like, and then on top of this, I'm going to add some honey. Honey mustard always works well, doesn't it? And I sometimes use honey and soy as well. So that is the salmon done. So let me finish off these potatoes. They've had 5 minutes up to now just to show you how they're doing. Look at those, very nice. Back in for another 5. So that's the potatoes all done, and look how crispy they are. Oh, they're stunning. The salmon is also done. I'm going to pop those on top of the potatoes. I haven't done anything different with the broccoli. The broccoli's just gone straight on, bit of green on there. And then the onions I chucked in the air fryer as well, also with some honey, salt and pepper on too. So that is 2 really big portion sizes with your salmon, your 5 a day in there as well. And all that's left is to try it. So guys, what I want to know, what do you put on your salmon? Do you put anything on it, or do you just have it like by itself? I must admit, I do like it with either garlic, chilli, soy. But this works really well as well. The mustard, the honey. And like I say, those potatoes are absolutely gorgeous. One of my favourite dishes, and only was £6.42. But I did have the mustard and the honey already in. So guys, if you want to give it a try, follow what I did.